Aloha crafty friends, welcome back. It's Maka from Makaz Home, Shaka. And I'm here again today to share with you two more entries into my Memorydex challenge, my birthday challenge I'm hosting. It does end January 31st, and I will be choosing a winner shortly after that. I like to welcome all my new subbies. My channel is growing slowly by slowly, and I thank you guys all for the support and the love you guys show and all the nice comments. And I encourage you guys to continue to do so. And so let's get into the first entry. So this is from Karen Herrera, and I believe it's all the way from Massachusetts. Brr, girl, stay warm, stay warm. So here we go. Oh, okay, let's turn everything up. Oh my gosh, wow. Oh, look at these magnets. Walk dog, get mail, change sheets, wash clothes, clean toilets, mop. I love those. Thanks, thank you. Ooh, let's just, I think the glue, I can attach it though, so it is not a problem. But this is her Memorydex. Smile big, give love, be grateful, laugh lots, live simply. I think she put glossy accents on it too. Wow, this is pretty. I love this. It looks like she embossed and did some mixed media work with gold paint. This is beautiful. And I like the trim. Thank you so much. So Karen Herrera, same on YouTube. She's a September 23rd baby, and she is from Massachusetts, like I said. So send some warmth that way. Her favorite candy is chocolate. Her favorite color is turquoise, and her favorite craft item is the 3-in-1 glue. Oh, I have to try that. I don't think I've ever tried any of that 3-in-1 glue. Is there a specific brand that you like? Let me know in the comments below. I'll test it out. I'm up for using stuff that works well. Oh, look at this cute card. So she colored it, and then she added glossy accents on the balloons, and then I think she did Winca Stella. Oh, it says happy birthday, celebrate, and she popped up these flags. And then she might have even did this watercoloring in the back and splattered some paint and then just added some flat backs. This is cute. It says happy birthday. This is hi Maka, I hope you had a wonderful birthday. Many happy returns. Please find my entry. I hope you like what I created for you. God bless, Karen Herrera. Yes, girl, I love it. I love your Memorydex. And I love all the gifts. Look at this. She included some unicorn tags. And then this loaded envelope. Wow, this is pretty. Oh, look at this girl. Can you see her? She's sitting on a mushroom. It reminds me of Cheshire. This is pretty. And then she included some tags. Thank you for sharing, girl. I appreciate your entry. Good luck. And again, you can find Karen here on YouTube, and I'll put the link to her channel below. So our next entry, I just opened the box for ease. So let me just... So this is from Tree. This is from Tree, and she's from California. Oh, how fun! Look at all of this. Okay, I'm back. My video cut off because I ran out of storage on my phone. Look at that. But, oh, look at all of the sequins. So, let's get in here. Oops. Bubble wrap for the protection. Oh, okay, I'm just going to let this fall inside. Wow, look at this trim. She shared some trim. And some paper. Wow, this is a great idea, right? So she has some tulle on top of it, some trim she's sharing. Well, let's show this side. Some trim she's sharing, and then some beautiful, oh, and it's Disney. Look, it's Minnie. I didn't even notice the shoes. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this paper. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Tree. Okay, so how about I move the box on the side, then we can see the pretties in the video, right? And, oh, let's see what else. So here's a little pocket envelope. Look, and it's Mickey. Oh, I love this. This is such a cute box. Oh, look at, oh my goodness. You piece these together. Girl, thank you. Oh, these are adorable. Eeyore. Aw, thank you for sharing. I love it. Oh, look, Tigger. Ah. Can you see? I'm probably out of frame. I'm so sorry. Like I gotta, look at how cute they are. And she pieced them together, these tiny pieces. Girl, thank you so much. I love those. Okay, here's another envelope. Look, and it's Mickey too. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. I love it. Oh, look at this beautiful rose tag. It's like Belle. Thank you. These are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you for all of this, Tree. This is so pretty. Oh, and some Mickey hand. And then some like journal cards, like Project Life type. Thank you for sharing. Oh, I love these. I'm going to use these. I'm so excited. Thank you. Ah, look at this. This is a cute die cut. Life is always better when you're laughing. Love this journal card. And she included some bling. And look at this sequence packet she included. I love these colors. Okay, and then, oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. This is totally a bell rose. Yep, be our guest. Oh my gosh, she made this out of paper. Look how beautiful. Even the stem is paper too. The leaves. Thank you, Tree. Thank you so much. Okay, and then this is the last thing. This is probably her Memorydex. Look, still scattered all over. Oh, beautiful. And it's like got the pieces in it that she gave me, and it's a Mickey head. Happy birthday. And she punched out balloons and just placed them randomly. Look, they shake in there. Oh, and then she has a pocket with her information. So she's Tree on YouTube. She's Craft On. Thank you, girl. Thank you for all of the Disney love. I love it so much. She's born in September 22nd. Her favorite color is pink, magenta, fuchsia, red. Oh, this is the time of year for your colors. Her favorite craft item is Brother Scan and Cut. Oh, I want one of those, but I just don't want to go through the learning curve. The favorite candy is Dove Dark Chocolate. Whew. And she is from Oceanside, California. So she's just a hop, skip, and a 6-hour drive away. But anyway, I want to thank both of you ladies for your lovely entries. I appreciate you taking the time and laboring your craft skills for me, and I wish you good luck in the entry. I will be picking a winner shortly. Like I said, it does end on January 31st, so watch for the winner to come shortly after that. Have a great day, and until the next video, shakas!